we're gonna show you how to upload a banner image to your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio. On your left-hand side, scroll down to Customization. Go to Branding and Banner Image Upload. First, you have to create a banner image. You can do that in Canva. There's a link to Canva down below. Be mindful of the size of the banner. Download it from Canva onto your hard drive so that it's available when you want to upload it. Go back to your YouTube Studio. Press Upload. Select your channel art. Click Done. And publish. Go back to your YouTube channel. Reload the page to verify success. If you like this video, check out the next one.